Hi, this is Jack Thompson with Spartan Storm Shield. We are here at the Larison residence. As it stands, we are looking at the replacement of 5 shingles. So I am here to do those repairs and get that process started today. We're going to start down here in this corner. As you can see, I've marked kind of the repair area. We're looking at need to unseal 2 courses above that first line in order to retrieve the nails in that one. So I'm going to do that for you guys now live. Let me sit you down. Hope everyone's having a great day. It's a nice one out. Retrieve these nails from our temporary repair a couple weeks ago. Try not to fall off this roof so I can go home to see my family tonight. Make sure that we didn't issues there. Oh, well, let me show you this. Going to unseal the shingles. You can see there's a decent amount of mat transfer, just about both upper and lower delamination on every shingle. The way we're looking at it, that's unfortunately occurring additional damages. I don't feel good about continuing on with the repair at this time. Yeah, as we've had to incur extra damage already just from unsealing those shingles. The shingle is malleable, but yeah, running into that mat transfer, just unsealing them is going to cause us issues with those repairs.